right, dog? You good? My bad, dog. I didn't even see you on the ground.
So how are you after that crash?
It didn't really hurt. I just got scared, so this is it, kind of.
It's like nothing really happened.
Yeah. It happened like so fast, because like right when it happened, all I saw was like your camera. So like all I got was like just like scared. It didn't really hurt though.
Cool, good, dude. I'm glad you're okay.
Thanks.
Tight, man. I hope you like the board too.
Thanks.
Tight, dude. Hit the like button. Thanks, yo.